Moving on, as India prepares to roll out its mega vaccination program, former UP Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav has stoked quite a political controversy by saying that he will not take the vaccine shot as he doesn't believe in the BJP's vaccine. UP Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Maurya hit back at Akhilesh, accusing him of insulting the scientists. Meanwhile, Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has clarified on his free vaccine promise. While speaking to reporters earlier, Harshvardhan has said that vaccine will be made available free of cost. He later put out a tweet clarifying that vaccine will be provided free to 1 crore healthcare and 2 crore frontline workers. In Delhi, the vaccine will be free for all, as announced by the Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain. Remember, the NDA has also promised free vaccine for all residents of Bihar ahead of recently concluded assembly polls in the state.
देखिए, मैं तो नहीं लगवाऊंगा अभी वैक्सीन। मैंने अपनी बात कह दी, और वो भी बीजेपी लगाएगी, उसका भरोसा करूंगा मैं? अरे जाओ भाई, अरे अपनी सरकार आएगी, सबको फ्री वैक्सीन लगेगी। हम बीजेपी का वैक्सीन नहीं लगवा सकते।
देश के उन वैज्ञानिकों का, उन डॉक्टरों का, जिन्होंने दिन रात परिश्रम करके इस वैक्सीन को तैयार किया है, जिसे लेने के लिए पूरी दुनिया और पूरा देश लगातार प्रतीक्षा कर रहा था, और आपने वह लगाने से मना करके वह भी उसका सार्वजनिक बयान दे करके जो किया है, वह निश्चित तौर से यह सबका अपमान है, और आपसे मैं अपेक्षा करूंगा कि इसके लिए आप माफ़ी मांगें।
Now let's take a quick listen to what Health Minister Harshvardhan earlier said on the vaccine free availability.
सर, वैक्सीन जो है वो फ्री होगी लोगों के लिए, या उन्हें कीमत देनी पड़ेगी? दिल्ली में जैसे फ्री है,
दिल्ली में नहीं, सारे देश में फ्री हो।
सर वैक्सीन जो है वो फ्री होगी लोगों के लिए, या उन्हें कीमत देनी पड़ेगी? दिल्ली में जैसे फ्री है,
दिल्ली में नहीं, सारे देश में फ्री हो।
चुनौती ये होगी कि क्या उसके लिए लोगों को पैसे देने होंगे अपनी ओर से, या ये सरकार की ओर से होगी?
देखिए, दिल्ली में वैसे भी किसी दवाई के पैसे नहीं लगते हैं, सरकार कर रही है, बिल्कुल फ्री होगा।
Dr. Harshvardhan may have said anything about coronavirus. I don't believe him for a second. Modi government never does what it says. Okay, so Harshvardhan ji may have said whatever. What Rahul Gandhi ji has been consistently saying, that put in place a proper policy, make it transparent, tell the country how you're going to give the vaccination.
Now, after Serum Institute's Covishield got an approval from Subject Expert Committee for Emergency Use, the candidate now awaits approval from the drug regulator, DCGI, which could come by this evening, hopefully. However, some conditions will be put forward before the vaccine manufacturer ahead of its approval. The SEC meet is currently underway, and more discussions are taking place over the vaccine candidate. The vaccine by AstraZeneca and Oxford University is to be administered in 2 doses and claims to have an efficacy rate of 70%. Trials were conducted on 65,000 participants. The vaccine is also to be stored at a temperature of between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius. As of now, 5 crore doses are ready in India. Subject Expert Committee is also discussing the approval for Covaxin, which is manufactured by Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech. The vaccine candidate manufacturer is yet to give its presentation in the meet. The vaccine is being developed in collaboration with the Indian Council of Medical Research. Covaxin has completed phase 1 and 2 clinical trials. The phase 3 efficacy trials of Covaxin were in progress with over 13,000 volunteers in it. Now, after the Covishield vaccine got approvals from the vaccine panel, a mega nationwide 2-hour-long vaccination dry run was concluded in 116 districts today. In fact, Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan was himself at the forefront in view of preparedness of this possible vaccine rollout in coming days. Harshvardhan reviewed the preparations at Delhi's GTB hospital. Delhi's Health Minister Satyendra Jain too took stock of preparedness. In Kerala, Health Minister KK Shailaja took part in the dry run process. The nationwide dry run was conducted to test linkages between planning and implementation, and of course to identify challenges at large. Now, this exercise is aimed at testing end-to-end preparedness, adverse effects, its management, IT systems, database management, checking of storage and transportation facilities, deployment of vaccination teams and site management. A total of 96,000 vaccinators have been trained across the country. More than 57,000 participants have been trained at district level. In fact, the states have extended the bandwidth of helpline numbers for people in doubt as well.
मेरा देश के लोगों को ये अपील है कि किसी भी अफवाह में ना जाएं। भारत की सरकार प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में सारे देश के लोगों को कोविड से हर प्रकार की प्रक्रिया के माध्यम से सुरक्षित रखना चाहती है। सबसे प्राइम हम लोगों का क्राइटेरिया अगर है तो वैक्सीन के ट्रायल्स में वो सेफ्टी है, एफिकेसी है, उसकी इम्यूनोजेनिसिटी है और इनमें से किसी भी चीज के ऊपर कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं है।
आज वैक्सीन का ड्राई रन किया जा रहा है 3 तरह की हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज में, गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स, प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल और गवर्नमेंट डिस्पेंसरी। दरियागंज में जहां पे हम खड़े हैं एक गवर्नमेंट डिस्पेंसरी है, यहाँ पे ड्राई रन चल रहा है। भी हॉस्पिटल दिल्ली सरकार का हॉस्पिटल है, उसमें भी चल रहा है और वेंकटेश्वर हॉस्पिटल प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल वहां भी चल रहा है। दिल्ली सरकार ने पूरी तैयारी की है, बड़े जोर शोर से तैयारी की है और 1000 के करीब सेंटर हम बनाने जा रहे हैं। 1 लाख लोगों को हम पर डे वैक्सीन लगा सकते हैं।
It was a successful attempt, The dry run went on smoothly, and we had a very good preparation for that. The trial run went smoothly because of that, and because of the population density, there is a chance to spread more spreading of the virus, and because of the spreading, the mortality also will occur. I hope that we will get the good quantity or sufficient quantity. That is the need, sufficient quantity of vaccine, and we are ready to receive that quantity and implement here.
This time it is an app-driven process, IT-driven process. So CoWIN app, so functionality is being tested, and you would be very happy to know that the first case when we did the dry run, after first a person, vaccinator 1 will check up his identity, vaccinator 2 will see whether he is already registered. Then he goes to the observation room. Once we assume that he has been given vaccination, in the CoWIN app it is typed as yes button. The moment it is done, his cell, the reply, congratulations, you have successfully got the first dose. That message, that was tested.
Now, as India is all set for the world's biggest launch of vaccination drive, our reporters break down the entire vaccination process, right from vaccination of beneficiaries to post-vaccination observation. Let's take a look.
As several countries rolled out vaccination program to battle COVID pandemic, now it is India gearing up for one of the biggest vaccination program, and that's how it is going to start from today. 116 districts, 259 centers, including 3 in the national capital, and this is how these vaccination centers will look like.
What we're seeing here is there are 2 gentlemen sitting in the vaccinator officer number 1 booth, where one person will be verifying the list of beneficiaries who are coming in. The details will be verified, and after that there will be a person who will be checking the temperature of the person who are coming in and simultaneously providing sanitizers as well. And as the beneficiary enters in, what we will be seeing next is that there is a second waiting room.
This is the waiting area for the beneficiaries. They will wait for here after the verification.
After that, there will be a registration center or verification center just inside the facility. So this will be the first area where the registration happens and their names and other credentials will be verified. So this will be a prototype of a list of people who will be coming, and maybe I can just show you. This is how it will look like, and all the processes for the dry run will be as same, and also they have this thing registered on their mobile app or on a mobile device in which they can actually verify. They will have their contact details. I'm not showing those details anyway. So this is how the final round of verification happened.
This will be where the vaccination will be done. And here we see in front of us, in a dummy vaccine shot has been given to people today. Inside here, there are 2 women who are sitting, and they will explain to them what the vaccination process will be like.
See that those people who have been vaccinated will be waiting here with the prescribed booklet toilets, just to ensure that if they're having any kind of discomfort, they will have to immediately report that, and they will be taken to the adjacent Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital.
There are essential medicines that have also been kept here. Basic first aid, other medicines have also been kept here. And then in case there is any emergency, there will be emergency vehicles that would be kept outside, through using which the person after vaccination, in case of an illness, will be immediately shifted to an hospital.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.